Hi, I'm Kim,
And I'm TZ.
and we decided that we needed some work done on the house. The siding was pretty much rotting. The windows were done in the 80s and we needed new windows. We had a beautiful deck put in, and with the deck, the house looked horrific. So we saved enough money over the last 4 or 5 years to do a project. We started looking about 2 years ago. We had about 4 or 5 different quotes. We went to the home show and had 4 or 5 people come out, had quotes. We decided not to go forward with it at that time, whether or not we had enough money. And then we saw a billboard with Artisans.
Yeah, and I think through all of the people that came out and gave presentations, Artisan was by far, they gave us the best presentation. That's what impressed me the most, and I think you as well.
Right. They were the most professional. Dan, the sales professional, sold me immediately with, the way he presented himself and presented materials, and was telling us that everybody would be there for us throughout the whole process, and they were. They helped us with the design. I wanted certain colors, which nobody else had. I went through at least, 20 different books of colors, and then Dan pulls out this color, and it was the color I wanted, and we said, we're sold.
We're sold.
Mm-hmm. And the trust, I felt like we could trust them. Then after that, the owner came out with Dan, and then we talked. We went through some stuff, and we were really happy with the product and the price that they were giving us for the whole complete project, which included roof, siding, windows, gutters. Originally, we weren't going to do the roof, and then throughout the process, we decided that we should, since it was old, and why not do the whole thing? When they said they were going to schedule something, it was going to be scheduled and done.
Plus the workmanship, doing the roof in one day was just amazing. And plus the cleanup after, at the end of the day, job site was very clean. If there was a problem, we addressed it, so did they, and they took care of it. I think that's what makes Artisan, as far as I'm concerned, stand above everyone else.
Right. The roof was done in a day. It was absolutely incredible. We have a humongous roof. Workers never stopped working. And like TZ said, we could not find a nail or a piece of roof in the yard. It was incredible to have this roof done in one day. The siders, Max and his cohort, I forgot his name, which I'm sad about because he was incredible. They were here every day from 8 until after 5, helped me decide on, where to put things, how to do things. They were absolutely incredible. And Max was like one of my project managers. If ever I needed anything, he was there. If I needed him to call the office, he did it. Found out when other people were coming. He was just phenomenal. And that was incredible. I come home every day and drive up the driveway and see my beautiful home. It's a dream.
Yeah,
right?
And I would just add that from day one, from the presentation up until the day the job was finished. I mean, Artisans, I just recommend them, highly.
Yes.
I really do.
I do, and I tell everybody about them. So we would definitely recommend Artisan 100%.
Absolutely.
The job was incredible. The work came out beautiful, dream home. They stuck to everything they promised. If there was an issue, they took care of it.
Yep.
Without question or hesitation. They always said they wanted the customer to be happy. I think the price was well within the range of any other quotes that we had, and they go above and beyond.
Absolutely. Highly recommend.
Right.